Curious about the warning indicators on your 2024 Honda Odyssey cluster display? In this guide, we'll explore the dashboard symbols, their meanings, and what actions you should take to ensure your vehicle runs smoothly and safely. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen controls navigation and media, while the instrument cluster displays speed, fuel, and alerts. A steering wheel is a round control device used by a driver to direct the movement of a vehicle. Door controls are mechanisms or buttons used to operate, lock or unlock vehicle or building doors. The 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine offers a balance of power and efficiency, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicator. Parking brake. Automatic brake hold system. Malfunction indicator lamp. Charging system. Seat belt reminder. Low fuel indicator. Anti-lock brake system. Seat belt reminder. Electric power steering system. Vehicle stability assist. Vehicle stability assist off. Blind spot information system indicator. Low tire pressure. Collision mitigation braking. Turn signal and hazard. Lights on. High beam. Auto high beam. Fog light. System message. ECON mode. Normal mode. Low temperature. Cruise mode. Adaptive cruise control with low speed. Auto idle stop off. Auto idle stop suspend. Auto idle stop system. Immobilizer system. Adaptive cruise control with low speed. Safety support. Lane keeping assist system. Shift position. Hill descent control system. Transmission system, snow mode. Safety precautions, know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.